So these are the gifts I got from the students. There you go. And this is another one. So I'll start unboxing them. So this is from Yolk and Fat. So they're brothers and sisters. Let's see what's inside. Okay. Ta-da! So these are actually cookies. So I've already tried some of it and it's actually good. It tastes good. Okay. Now this one is from Nana. And as you can see, it's actually just like the same packaging. And let's see what's inside. Okay. So just as we thought, it's the same. So it actually said classic cookies. So that it's the same thing as what we have on the big can. And let's go over to the next ones. So this one is coconut flavored wafers. I believe this came from someone from 5-2, Miss Bloyrong. There you go. Let's have this one next. This is from Tongkao from 6-3. She was my student from previous semester. Okay, so there you go. Another sweet. So it says Diloba Blueberry. Okay, next one. So another brothers and sister. David is from grade 4. Austin is from grade 7. Okay, so this is actually a travel bag. Okay. And this one is from Jenny, again from 5-2. Let's see what's inside. So it says astronaut mobile phone holder, creative place adorn. Let's see, let's open it more. Okay, so technically this is really an astronaut. Okay, so this is how it looks like. That's so adorable and cute. Okay, next here is from Pon, grade 3, and she has given me dark chocolate Toblerone. Okay. Next we have, there's actually no card, but this is from AJ of 5-2. There you go. Let's see what's inside. There's the name. So that's from the brothers AJ and AK. So this is inside. So I think it's a portable fan. There, let's just see what color. Okay, just take a look at that. That's so adorable. It's a reindeer design. And it's working. Oh, I think this is the front. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, and someone gave something like a purse. I just don't know who the kid is, but it's so very cute. And last but not the least, this is actually the first gift I got. So this was given a week before the exam week. So this was an early Christmas gift from Nami. So it's a pen. Okay. Oh. There you go. So this one I got from my co-teacher. Her name is also Miss Joanne. So I'm Miss Joanne M because I'm teaching math. But now I'm teaching math and grammar. And she's Miss Joanne C. She's teaching computer and also grammar. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, it's so cute. So this is a can opener and a notebook with a message. Your life is as good as your mindset. I think that's a good message. And I've been wanting to have can opener. I struggled last time. I just tried a spoon or something else just to open a bottle. But this is a good one. I liked it. And this is the last one. So this is actually from an exchange gift. This is my wish list. So one of my wish is a pen and or a gouache paint, but I don't think this is a gouache paint because it's not heavy. But let's see what they got from me. Oh, and the other one is puzzle, wood puzzles, but it's not a puzzle as well, I think. And ta-da! So it's 4 pigment liner from Staedtler. So these are the point. I don't know if you can see it. Just check it out. So it has 0.5, 0.3, 0.2, 0.1, 0.05, and a 0.08. I mean 0.8. 0.8, 0.5, 0.3, 0.2, 0.1, and 0.05. Finest is a 0.05, I think. This is gonna be good for my sketching. And so these are the cards I got. So I'm keeping them. So I took it out from the gifts. And that's it for today's unboxing. Christmas gifts unboxing. Thank you for watching. Bye.